Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your PC or laptop's internet connection on your phone. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So first of all, we need to go and create a hotspot on our computer. So to do that, what you want to do is open up your settings, click on search at the bottom and type in settings like so. Come over to the left and click on network and internet, then scroll down and locate mobile hotspot. So in order for this to work, you'll need to have a Wi-Fi adapter either built into your computer in the motherboard, or you can get an external USB one and plug it in. Click on it and then you can choose where you're sharing your internet connection from. So it could be from Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So choose the right one, and then you can choose how you're sharing it. So either over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So in this case, I'll do Wi-Fi. So as you can see below in our properties, we've got the name of our Wi-Fi there and also got our password as well. So you just want to make a note of that. So then what we want to do is we want to go onto our phone. So whether that's an iPhone or an Android, go into settings, then connections, and then go into Wi-Fi. It might take a moment to load, and then it's going to sort of be finding your available networks. So as you can see, one of them is ours. It begins with laptop and ends in 4408. So I'm just going to click on that. And then as you can see that we need to then enter in our password, which is fine because we made a note of that previously. And then we should be able to connect onto it. Amazing. So just like that, I've now connected onto it, and now I'm using the internet from my PC on my phone. And that's it, guys. A really simple one on how you can use your PC or laptop's internet connection on your phone. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.